Hi everyone, it's Freddie. I know it's been a little while. Life just kind of happens, I guess. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make this a whole video, but I know I'm not the only person sort of struggling with this, but I'm kind of in my little lost in my 20s moment. So life has been a little confusing and off the beaten path, I guess you could say, but just try and make the most out of it. And so today I went on a bit of a relaxing photo walk and just enjoyed nature and took some self-portraits and went on a bit of a hike. I also decided to take some long exposure photos because there was a stream. Those turned out really good, actually. I'm kind of surprised. I shoot with the Canon M50 Mark II, and that camera is an absolute powerhouse, so that's why I've had so much difficulty thinking about upgrading, because that camera is just the best. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and just sit back and relax.